Hello kids, in this video we are going to see the revision. We are going to see the revision of the lesson and solve the exercise. Okay, so let us see here. Revise. The food we get depends largely on the kind of food crops grown where we live. The food we get depends on kind of food crops grown where we live. A crop grown in a particular region depends on the nature of the soil, availability of water, climatic conditions, etc. of that one region. Yes, the crops grown in a particular region, it's depend on nature of that one region, nature of that one soil, availability of water, climate condition. This all is help to crops to grow. The crop depend on these one all points. 3. India is an agricultural country with a different kinds of crops grown across its length and breadth. Yes, India is an agricultural country with a different kinds of crops grown across its length and breadth. Yeah, in India, most agriculture peoples are there. In India, lots of people will grow a crops. Okay. 4. Indian spices, tea and coffee are popular across the world for their taste and aroma. Indian tea, coffee and spices are popular across the world because of their taste and aroma. Aroma means smell. Okay kids, next we are going to see the exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. Here 3 sentences are given. Read that one carefully and you say this statement is true or false. If you read the lesson, that time only you know this one statement is true or false. Otherwise, you will not say, you will not recognize this statement, this sentence is true or false. So kids, every day you read the lesson. Understood now? Okay, I will read. A. Wafers and biscuits are the staple food of Maharashtra. Wafers and biscuits are the staple food of Maharashtra? What kids? No, it is the wrong. So write here false. Second, growth of certain crops in a particular region depends on climate, soil, water available there. Yes, correct. Growth of the certain crops depend on their climate, soil and availability of the water. So it is a true. Right here, true. 3. Indian spices are world famous for their color. Yes or no kids? It is a true or false? Wrong. Because Indian spices are famous across the world for their taste and aroma, not for a color. So it is a false. And next see, second one, match the following. Okay? Here 2 columns are there, A and B. You read the A column properly, pause the video 2 minutes and B column. Then we'll start the, okay? See, A, food grains, B, dal or pulses, C, vegetables, D, fruits, E, nuts, F, dairy products, G, animal products. In B column, meat, almonds, yogurt, pumpkin, desserts, chickpeas, jowar, orange. Here, grains and some fruits, food items are given here. Desert is a region. So you read this one and join this one. Food grain. Meat food grain? No. Almond? No. Yogurt? No. Pumpkin? No. Desert? No. Chickpeas? No. Jowar? Yes. Then join food grain to jowar. Okay? B. Dal. Dal or pulses. Meat? No. Dal or pulses almond? No. Yogurt? Dal or pulses yogurt? No. Pumpkin? No. Pumpkin is what? Pumpkin is vegetable, no? Okay. Desert? No. Chickpeas? Yes. Dal pulses is chickpeas. Then join this one. C. Vegetable. Meat is vegetable? No. Almond? Vegetable? No. Yogurt? No. Pumpkin? Yes. Then vegetable to pumpkin join. Fruit. Meat is fruit? No. Almond fruit? No. Yogurt is fruit? No. Pumpkin over desert is fruit? No. Chickpeas over, jowar over, orange is a fruit? Yes. So join fruit, orange. Nut. Meat is nut? No. Almond? Yes. Almond is one of the nut. Next. Join nut, almond. F is dairy product. Meat is dairy product, kids? Almond over yogurt? Yeah, yogurt means curd. It is a dairy product. Dairy product, yogurt. Dairy product, yogurt. Animal product, meat. Then join animal product to meat. Again once time, I will read this one. Look here. Food grains, jowar. Food grains, jowar. Dal or pulses, chickpeas. Dal or pulses, chickpeas. Vegetable, pumpkin. Vegetable, pumpkin. Fruit, orange. Fruit, orange. Nuts, almond. Nuts, almond. Dairy product, yogurt. Yogurt means curd. Dairy product, yogurt. Animal product, meat. Animal product, meat. Okay, you join this type. Next, we will see the third question. Match the crops and fruits with the place where they are grown. Here, crops are given and places are given. Read the food items and places. You join that one. Okay. Look here, food items, ragi, orange, bean, chickpeas, rice, strawberries and cherries, grapes are given. Places, Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir, Nasik, Gujarat, West Bengal, Nagpur, Punjab. Okay. Ragi, where it grows? It is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir, Nasik, Gujarat. It is grown in Gujarat. So you write, join this one, ragi to Gujarat. Oranges. Oranges are grown in where, kids? Oranges are grown in Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir, Nasik, West Bengal, Nagpur. Oranges are grown in Nagpur. Beans and chickpeas. Beans and chickpeas are grown in Uttar Pradesh. Rice. Rice is grown in West Bengal. Strawberry and cherries. Strawberry and cherries are grown in Kashmir. Last remain grapes. Grapes are grown in where, kids? Nashik. Join this one. Okay, this time you join, otherwise you will write ragi, Gujarat. Ragi, Gujarat. Orange, Nagpur. Orange, Nagpur. Chickpeas grown in Uttar Pradesh. Chickpeas and beans are grown in Uttar Pradesh. Rice are grown in West Bengal. Rice are grown in West Bengal. Strawberries and cherries are grown in Kashmir. Strawberries and cherries are grown in Kashmir. Grapes are grown in Nashik. Grapes are grown in Nashik. Okay kids, this is match the following over here. Next, turn the page. Okay. Read the next one. Fill what is there. Next, fill in the blanks is there. You read that one kids. What is there? Read the all statements. Okay. Then we'll start. Pause the video 2 minutes and read that one. Number 4. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Here bracket is given. You read that one. Options: banana, homemade, food and staple. 4 answers are there and 4 sentences are there. Read the options. Read the sentences or statement correctly and fill in the blanks. Okay, if you will fill, you will say the correct answer when you read the lesson. Otherwise, you will not get a correct answer. Okay, see here. A. Our body needs dash dash as a fuel to eat fit and active. What we need to grow, to live. Tell me kids, what we need? How we get energy? We get energy from food, no? Yes. Our body what need? Our body need a food. Answer is it is here. Right here, F-O-O-D, food. Our body needs food as a fuel to keep it fine and active. Second, B. Food that form a major part of the diet of any region is called food that form a major part of the diet of any region is called a staple food. Look here, it is the staple here, right here, staple food. C. Rice needs a hot and dash dash climate for good growth. Which type of climate rice needs? Banana, two only remain, banana and homemade. Then which one? Homemade. Rice need a hot and humid climate for good growth. Rice need a hot and humid climate for good growth. Next, dash dash is a fruit available throughout the year in India. All of you know which fruit is available throughout the India? Banana. Yes. Last answer is banana. Banana is a fruit available throughout the year in India. Okay? Next, last one is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Name some summer fruits of India. Name some summer fruits of India. Right? Name any fruits. Those are grown in India. Those are grown in India. Anybody say answer, kids? Think which fruits you are eating in summer days. Are you eating mangoes? Yes, mango, watermelon, lychees, jackfruits. Yes or no, kids? Yeah, mango, watermelon, jackfruits, lychees are etc. are grown. We get in summer days. See next second answer question. B. What is the Hindi name for cardamom, cumin and coriander? What is the Hindi name for cardamom, cumin, and coriander. These are the English names. They are the English names, and you tell me the Hindi name of this one. These are the spices. These are the spices. Cardamom means ilaichi. It is called in Hindi ilaichi. Cumin means jeera. Cumin means jeera. Coriander means dhania. Cardamom means ilaichi. Cumin means jeera. Coriander means dhania. Okay, next see. Which dry fruit is especially eaten on long journey through deserts? Which fruit is there that one eaten on long journey through the desert? Anybody say, kids? Yes, correct. Dates. Dates on long journey through deserts. Dates are eaten in particular passengers, particular trip they are going. No, they are getting dates. They are eating dates. Dates are eaten in that one particular desert places. When they are going to long journey through the desert, dates are eaten on a long journey through the desert. Understood, kids? Next, we are going to see the value-based questions. I am going to read this one. You only tell me the answer. What is this one? Answer. This because the value-based question answers are there. Karan always wastes food during lunch and dinner. As for Krishna, the maid's son, he hardly gets to eat half a plate of rice once a day, which he hungrily finishes. Karan wasting his food during a lunch and dinner time. But Krishna is Karan's maid's son. Krishna is who? Who is Krishna? Krishna is Karan's maid's son. He is getting only half plate of rice once a day. Which hungrily, very hungry. Then you tell me, question is here, what would be your advice to Karan? Then what would you advise to Karan? What would you be your advice to Karan? What would you advise, kids? Okay, I will tell you. Our advice is there. What Karan should not waste his food. Karan should not waste his food because other children do not even get a one time of food. Other children do not get one time of food daily. Look here, only Krishna getting only half plate of rice once a day, but in there Karan wasting his food. So Karan should not waste his food because of other children do not get one time of food. Food. They are getting a half of once time a rice plate. So our advice is Karan should not waste his food. Second question is B. Is there any way that Krishna could be fed well daily? Any way is there towards you? Krishna should be fed well daily? Anybody give answer? Yeah, he is there. Karan should be given to Krishna. Karan should be given to Krishna instead of wasting the food. Here, Karan wasting his food in lunch time and in dinner time. Instead of destroying the food, Karan should be given to Krishna. Yes or no, kids? Then both are happy. That time Krishna will get a full stomach of food, and the food also will not destroy. Yes or no? Okay. Next one is project work is there. it is your homework, kids. Visit some underprivileged families in your neighborhood along with your teachers. It is not, but it is not. You are in home because of the COVID-19. It is impossible. When the school will reopen, that time we'll see, we'll visit. Find out their daily food items. Do provide them with the healthy food for day. This one project, when the school will reopen, that time we'll revise this one. Okay, we'll see. Next, today's homework is there. First of all, you read the lesson. Try to find out the match the following, true or false, whatever is there, fill in the blanks is there. Yes or no, kids? And answer also you find out own. Read the questions, pause the video 2 minutes, find out and write down in your textbook first. Write down in your textbook first, then write down in your notebook. Copy it in your notebook. Understood, kids? I will give this one all question answers in homework. Thank you for watching the video.